Hi everyone, today's video is about question number 27, 2019 Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of credit cards, which is topic 11, I believe, here. So we'll go to this section and let's open 2019 question number 27. So what you have been given here is a credit card statement. You've been told that there's a no interest-free period. So as soon as you're going to use credit card, interest is being charged. And interest is charged at the end of each month at 18.25% per annum. What's more important is that it's compounded daily, which means that each day you're not going to make a payment. A portion of this pro rata basis is going to be charged on you. From the day you purchased so that day is included in the calculation of the interest to the last day of the month, and that day is also included. So what you have here is the summary of what happened. So pretty much what we are interested in is this number. This is what you need to work out yourself. And what the question is asking you is the minimum payment, to calculate the minimum payment. And what they've given you is that minimum payment is 2% of closing balance. So whatever this closing balance is, multiply it by 2% and you'll get the minimum payment. But for that, you need to work out what is this closing balance. And to work that out, first thing you need to do is work out what is the interest charged. So let's take out the question. So to work out what interest is charged, first you need to know how many days it's been charged, because you know it's charged at a rate daily, so you need to know how many days. So between 20 April and 30th of April, there are 11 days. Remember, the question is saying that the purchase date is included. So you're going to include the 20th as well. So that's why it's 11. You can't just simply 30 minus 20. You can't do that. So total 11 days. And then interest is charged at this amount compounded daily. So what that means is that every day it's charged 18.25% divided by 365, assuming there are 365 days in a year. So this was the amount that was used. So to calculate the interest rate, so to calculate the closing balance, actually, you're just going to use a compound interest formula. So your closing balance will be 3,700 multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate 18.25% divided by 365, and all of that to the power of 11. And when you do that, you get the answer 37.20 and 40 cents. So that's your closing balance. That's this amount. Now, minimum payment is 2% of that. So minimum payment would be 3720.4 times 2%, which would be $74.41.